You have a guy showing up on the scene who is surrounded by miracles, who is an Antichrist figure, who is the Antichrist figure, who's coming on the scene promising the Jews to restore Moses, the Mosaic covenant, as we know, Daniel 9:27. The Antichrist, he confirms this Mosaic covenant, which allows them to do sacrifices offering, which then he seeks to change. Okay, so it's pretty fascinating. But in the midst of all that, I also think that when they make an agreement with him, it literally says he will cause the covenant to prevail for them, the Jewish people. So when they come to accept this, one of the things that they are going to be accepting again is to be re-embracing Moses in his fullness, which is the opposite of the Lord Jesus. Jesus said, again, if you followed Moses, you'd believe in me. So I find it fascinating that when they do this, God is going to say, and I almost think that the two witnesses are going to be there right before that. And so there'll be this clarity. Don't go back to Moses, embrace Jesus as the Messiah. Well, we know according to 1 John chapter 2, 22 through 24, that the message of the Antichrist, this is fascinating. Who is the Antichrist? The one who denies that Jesus is the Messiah. So you think, that's going to be his message is, hey, I'm going to cause Moses to prevail for you. You guys, I'm going to give you the opportunity to redo sacrifices and build a temple. But just remember, Jesus is not the Messiah. That's fine with us. Well, man, that's an offense, right? It's like this fresh rebellion against the revelation of Jesus being the Messiah by the current leadership. This Jewish leadership is going to commit the same sin that the first century leadership did. And God's going to allow them to be tested.